Hi everyone, it's Miss Connolly, and this is just a quick little voiceover on the do's and don'ts of delivering your oral communication and building your Google Slides and Prezi presentation. So it's just a quick little voiceover of me going through the do's and don'ts of these particular areas. So first of all, what I want you to do during your presentations and during the designing of your Google Slides or Prezi presentations, I want you to remember to be clear and concise. So for the purpose of your CBA 1 topic, make sure that you use relevant images that you can talk about. So number 2, I want you to be animated. So when delivering your speaking moment, I want you to be enthusiastic. So use facial expressions, hand gestures, and don't forget to change the tone and pitch of your voice. Number 3, if you wish to add some writing on your slides, I want you to use bullet points to keep your information clear and readable. Bullet points are handy when you want to develop on something too. So keeping the information on your slides to a minimum. Number 4, I want you to make sure that you use headings on your slides and to have a clear order of what you are going to be delivering. So this will help you stay on track. And number 5, I want you to make sure that whatever you say or write is in your own words. So it's incredibly important that you don't just copy and paste something from online. Anything that you say and write must be done so in your own words. Moving down then to the don'ts, I want you to make sure that you do not speak too quickly or too slow. So you only have 3 minutes, so be mindful of that, and practice makes perfect. Number 2 then, I want you to try and avoid flashcards, as this can cause a lack of eye contact and poor projection of one's voice. So stick to your chosen format and use bullet points to help you stay on track. So rather than looking down at something on a piece of paper, you are looking up, you're making eye contact with me, and you're projecting your voice so it's well heard. Number 3, do not copy and paste anything from the internet. And if you do decide to take an image from the internet, as already stated in the PowerPoint voiceover, please copy and paste the website or the image address or the URL onto your presentation beside the pasted photo. And finally, do not fill up your slides with lots of text, and do not only read from your slides, as this will show little preparation. So it's really important that the information on your slides really just act as prompts. And I want you to almost speak as if it was from the top of your head. However, you will have rehearsed your speech beforehand. So it's really important that you prepare and that you do not read directly from your slides. So thank you for listening to this. You will have a copy of this document given out to you in the introductory lesson. However, it is available to download on the class website.